Oh, me Róisín, Dubh, the sweetest child, what became of you? Me dear Róisín, Dubh, the skies they smiled till the storm it blew. Oh, but me Róisín, Dubh, it's not over yet. If you only knew, the old world is gone, but a new one waits on the other side, and you shall find your father there, and he shall be your guide. Oh, and me Róisín, Dubh, your time will come when you shall rise. Oh, but me Róisín, Dubh, me Róisín, Dubh, I'm still your bride. You must have made a mistake. How could you make her suffer so much pain? I love you, but it wasn't fair. Me sweet Róisín, me Róisín, Dubh, I'll meet you there. Oh, me Róisín, me Róisín, Dubh, I'll meet you there. Oh, me Róisín, Dubh, the purest dove, was shot down from above. What a fool was I to take you for the blessing that you was. Oh, but me Róisín, Dubh, I should have known when you was young that this life was not for you. Me sweet Róisín, Dubh, and in the world beyond I hope that you'll be young once more. Oh Lord, you must have made a mistake. How could you make her suffer so much pain? I love you, but it wasn't fair. Me sweet Róisín, me Róisín, Dubh, I'll meet you there. Oh, me Róisín, Dubh, I'll meet you there. I should have listened to me heart, I shouldn't have let them take you away. I should have been by your side, but the Lord has you now. Me Róisín, Dubh, oh, me Róisín, Dubh, and I shall see you again when I cross the Jordan to the promised land. When I cross the Jordan to the promised land. Oh Lord, you must have made a mistake. How could you make her suffer so much pain? I love you, but it wasn't fair. Me sweet Róisín, me Róisín, Dubh, I'll meet you there. Oh, me Róisín, Dubh, I'll meet you there. Oh, me Róisín, Dubh, I can't help but feel that you was a punishment for me, but I hope that I shall join you when I leave this valley. Me sweet Róisín, Dubh, I'll see you soon. Oh, but until then, me sweet Róisín, Dubh, I'll sing to you. Oh Lord, dear Róisín, Dubh.